Still talking about And Then There Were None, or 12 Little Indians. Talking about the character dialogue in it, and possibly the acting, because I think those are the last two categories. The character dialogue is the single strongest part of the movie. This is, I think, the reason why Agatha Christie was so popular, was because her dialogue is just so good. She can do one-liners and witty retorts and stuff, and she's able to write for a bunch of different kinds of characters' minds, and that is exemplified very well in this movie, because you've got 13 people, all of whom are very different. None of them are really stock characters, and each of them talk a different way. So she's able to get inside a bunch of different people's heads and make them seem like really distinct personalities and contrast them really well. Some of the people are closer than others, some of them know each other, and some don't. Some kind of lie about how well they know the other person. Some of them lie about who they are. The whole thing hinges not really on the violence, and not really on the situation, but the dialogue of the characters. It's not a courtroom drama, even though you've got some guy who's a justice. It's more of a table talk kind of thing, as if you've got a board game. So the dialogue's fantastic, and really serves as kind of a role model of what character dialogue writing should be like. So I'd probably say it's between 72 and 92%. Some of it sounds a little corny, and I think that might just be because of the acting. But overall, I'd have to say it's very top tier dialogue, and it's probably why people keep going back and back and back to Agatha Christie stories. So I'd have to say 92%. I just don't really feel like making it higher than that, because I think, if she made it more of a character piece rather than a character dialogue piece, it would have come off a lot stronger, and the dialogue would have meant more. But it's not really a earth-shattering movie. It's just kind of a genre movie. So 92% for the character dialogue, and I realize it's a 3-minute video, but it just makes it easier for me to just enter these one at a time.